Hello, my name is Long Royal. Today I want to talk about the pressing sound. And there are many types of abnormal press sound. The first is talk about the normal, vesicular, abnormal is diminished press sound, bronchial pressing up and advantageous with crackle, crepitation, pleural rap and stridor. Vesicular press sounds normal sound on most of the lung, soft, low pitch, inspiration longer than expiration. No gap between both paces. Bronchial press sounds abnormal in majority of lung that is far from main airways. Loud and tubular quality, high pitch, inspiratory and expiratory pace equal. Definite gap between both paces. That hurt in first is consolidation, second is lumbar collapse with pattern bronchus, and third is lung cavity. If associated with consolidation, you may be able to elicit following maneuvers: increased tactile primitus, bronchopneumonia, agopony, example, bees had as bay, whispering, pottery, liquid. WHEEZE, continuous and musical quality. Expiratory usually indicate narrowing of airways either due to bronchospasm or secretion in small airways. Low pitch or high pitch polyphonic or monophonic. With also in the first high-pitched sibilant with as the usual whistling quality with heard due to smaller airway narrowing in bronchospasm like in asthma. Second is low-pitched or sonorous with also called bronchi heard when smaller airway narrow due to secretion, example in chronic bronchitis. High-pitched wheeze is usually polyphonic due to variable degrees of bronchospasm like in asthma and is more common form we heard in daily practice. Monophonic wheeze is heard if there are obstructing pathology in a localized area. Another is called crackle and crepitation. Interrupted and non-musical quality inspiratory usually peripheral airway collapse on expiration due either to interstitial fibrosis or secretion fluid. During inspiration, rapid air enter abruptly open. This collapse smaller airway and alveoli producing crackle noise. It can be the first is early inspiratory in small airway disease like bronchiolitis, Mal-inspiration in pulmonary edema, late inspiratory in pulmonary fibrosis, pulmonary edema, COPD, resolving pneumonia, lung abscess, tuberculous lung cavities. CRACLES will be the fine or coarse quality. First is fine. Crepitations heard in bronchiolitis, pulmonary edema, pulmonary fibrosis. Anxious crepitation in COPD, resolving pneumonia, lung abscess, tuberculosis. The pleural function pleural rub is more commonly caused by an inflammation of either the visceral and or parietal pleura. Low-pitched, grating sound similar to the sound of walking on snow. Cause in consolidation, pulmonary infection, uremia, etc. Heard during inspiration when visceral and parietal pleura slide over the edge. To differentiate between the rub is it is begin caused by a pleural lining or pericardium. You must perform a brief inspiratory hold manual. If the rub continues during the manual, it is the most likely a pericardial rub.